Hey guys, so today I've got in front of me the best budget true wireless earphones of 2018, and these are the Meizu TW50s. So the price on these Meizu TW50s is around 120 bucks, but for that 120 bucks you are getting a lot of value. So first off, these earphones can be wirelessly charged. Once they're in the case, you simply put the case on a wireless charging pad and they basically charge. Number two, they also have USB Type-C. This is something you don't really see a lot in budget Bluetooth earphones. These earphones are also IPX5 water resistant, and the stability inside the ears with these earphones is fantastic. I wear these earphones to the gym and I have no issues with them whatsoever. They don't fall out and they are very comfortable. The drivers in the earphones have a graphene diaphragm, so you are getting better quality sound, and for that matter the sound is pretty neutral. Everything sounds nicely balanced, nothing is over pronounced, so you're going to get clean and high quality sound. You also do get touch control with these earphones, so there's no buttons on them, you just simply tap, and depending on the tap or hold you can raise and lower the volume levels, you can switch to the next track, or you can even call and hang up. There's also voice activation, so if you tap on the right or left earphone 3 times you can activate Siri. Pairing with your device is pretty straightforward. You simply activate Bluetooth on your device and then open up the case, and you should see TW50 on your device, and you simply just pair them and then you're pretty much paired. Now for watching videos with these earphones, it is almost on point. There is a little bit of a delay, it's by a few milliseconds, but still very watchable. Distance with these earphones from your device can go up to 10 meters. Bluetooth version is 4.2. and the earphones have 85 mAh of battery life, which gives you around 3 hours, with an additional 12 hours with the charging case. Now for one last thing, in my initial review of these earphones I did notice a buzzing sound, but ever since then the buzzing sound has pretty much gone. I don't hear it anymore. So my conclusion, great fit, great sound, and great price. And these are my best true wireless Bluetooth earphones for 2018. So I can definitely recommend these if you are looking for a pair of true wireless earphones for under 150 bucks. So I just checked and they're actually on sale now for 80 bucks on GearBest, so I'll drop a link to the GearBest website for these earphones in the description below, so make sure to check that out. But anyway, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Later. Hey, what's up guys? This is what the microphone sounds like on the Meizu TW50s, and I'm using the voice memo app on my iPhone 6 to record this audio.